In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Logitech MX Master 3S on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your MX Master 3S on a Mac. I'm gonna teach you the two main connection types and how you can set it up accordingly. So first, I want to make it very clear. If you bought the MX Master 3S specifically for Mac, it isn't going to include the USB dongle, so this isn't going to be an option if you have the Mac exclusive version. You can purchase a dongle separately and use that, but if you have the Mac exclusive version, you will only be able to connect it over Bluetooth. So first, I'm going to showcase Bluetooth, and then I'm going to be talking about the USB receiver. If you have the Bluetooth version, all that you have to do is first enable Bluetooth on your Mac. So go over to the settings, access the Bluetooth category, and make sure that this option is toggled on. With this done, as long as the toggle on the back of the mouse is set to Bluetooth, if there is one, you will be able to find it under the list of nearby devices. Just make sure that it is powered on, sufficiently charged, and then select it from the list by choosing the Connect option. You will be able to put it into pairing mode by pressing the respective button. Alternatively, if you bought a dongle like this one separately, or if your specific Logi MX 3S model has one, then just plug it into any of the available USB ports, and remember to toggle it to USB mode instead of Bluetooth if needed. And once you make this change with the USB dongle connected, it is going to be set up accordingly. Just power it on and you will be good to go. With this done, you are ready to use it. You can optionally download the MX Options software where you can see the battery, you can customize macros, you can change all of the buttons and the actions, but this is optional, so don't feel the need to download this app if you don't want to. As long as the dongle was properly connected or you use Bluetooth to get this done, you will be able to use the MX 3S on a Mac. And if it runs out of battery, you just have to plug it in with the provided USB cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Logitech MX Master 3S on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.